Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cash out on crypto. The only way to withdraw funds is by first converting your cryptocurrency into a supported fiat currency, like US dollars or euros. Once converted, you can then transfer these fiat funds directly to your verified bank account. This process ensures a secure and compliant withdrawal, typically taking a few business days to complete. It's a straightforward method designed for your financial safety. To begin, you'll need to link your bank account within the crypto.com app. Go to your fiat wallet, select Transfer, then Withdraw, and choose Fiat. Here, you can add your bank account details, including your account and routing numbers. It's crucial that the bank account is in your name. Verification typically takes 1 to 3 business days, ensuring everything is secure before you can proceed with withdrawals. Once your bank account is linked and verified, initiating a withdrawal is simple. From your fiat wallet, select the fiat currency you wish to withdraw, then tap Withdraw. Enter the exact amount you want to transfer. Be aware of any minimum withdrawal limits, which are usually around $10. Review all the transaction details carefully before confirming your request to ensure accuracy and avoid delays. After you've submitted your withdrawal request, the processing usually takes between 3 and 5 business days. This time frame allows for bank transfers and security checks to complete. You can always monitor the status of your withdrawal directly within the crypto.com app's transaction history. If for any reason your funds haven't arrived after 5 business days, it's best to reach out to crypto.com's customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.